Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to get Roblox on iOS. First, open the App Store icon on your device's home screen, which typically looks like a blue square with a white A in the center. Next, tap the Search tab located at the bottom right corner of your screen. In the search bar that appears at the top, type Roblox and then press the search button on your keyboard. This action will display a list of results, helping you find the official application quickly. Once the search results appear, identify the official Roblox application. It usually has the iconic Roblox logo. Tap the Get button positioned next to the app's name. If prompted, you may need to confirm your download using your Apple ID password, Face ID, or Touch ID. Ensure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid data charges and ensure a swift download. The application size is typically around 300 megabytes, so it should download quite fast. After the Roblox application finishes installing, tap its icon on your home screen to open it. If you're new to Roblox, select the Sign Up option. You will then be prompted to enter your birth date, create a unique username, and a strong password. Remember to choose a username that respects privacy and a password that is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Finally, specify your gender to complete this step. If you already have a Roblox account, simply tap Log In and enter your existing username and password. After logging in, take a moment to review Roblox's community guidelines, which are crucial for maintaining a positive and safe environment. For younger players, enabling parental controls can help manage screen time and restrict certain content. Always be cautious about sharing personal information online and report any suspicious activity immediately to ensure a secure gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.